Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngidi isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyijiyane
sekubengazeka abaningi ukuxoshwa kwenkosi kuMalusi Zondo endlunkulu kaZulu. uMalusi Zondo noma inkosi uMalusi Zondo bekade kuchancellor ke lapha ngaphansi kwehhovisi ke lesilo kuvela ukuthi kusekhonjwe indlela with immediately effect ngokusho kwencwadi ephuma ke komkhulu. Le ncwadi ke singeze enkundleni ke zokuxhumana ephinde ke yaqinisekiswa ke umntwana ke uThulani umntokaZulu umntwana kwasezibindini eyoqinisekisa ngomlomo ke wakhe ekhuluma ke njeke lapha ke emsakazweni kuKhozi FM ekhuluma ke kwabezindaba umntwana ke uThulani utheke yebo ke lesike isinqumo ke sesilo samabandla wonke atheke asithatha uthi kusithathile kwabe ke sekhuluma ke nonduna enkulu kaZulu ukuba ke makashicilele akuveze ukuthi ke njeke lapha ke lokaMancinza akasesiyena kushansela engeyedwa ke kade ekanye ke noNdamase laba ke bobabili baxoshwe with immediately effect ngokusho kwencwadi. Le ncwadi ke singeze enkundleni zokuxhumana ushaya kungempotho ke njeke lapha ke uZondi uthi ke akayazi inkosi uMalusi Zondo ithi ke yona kalukhu udaba obelisakhulunywe ke nawo mayelana ke nokuthi akasesiyona ushansela yena ngokwakhe usaliqhoqhobele ke ioffice kodwa ake okunye kokuvelayo ukuthi nina ukuthi ke kusolala sengazi ukuthi ke inkosi uMalusi Zondo ihambisana ke nalabo kabathi ke abahambe laba phela basungeza kiswe lonke bexosha kabo kufika nokusolala sengazi ukuthi kunendoda ekhona ke lapha ke komkhulu engahambisani nakho ke lokhu ukuthi ke makhambe kabantu. Inkosi Malusi Zondo iveza ukuthi iyakhuluma ke nalo kaMdlokombane wathi ke lo kaMdlokombane incwadi ke akayazi uthi kwakhuluma ke nonduna enkulu kaZulu okunje ke lapha ke bakithi komnumzane koThulasiswe Buthelezi uthi ke nawe utheke incwadi ke akayazi kodwa ke incwadi abakwazi ukungayazi ngoba kufanele iphume komlomo kangangezwe lakhe iyeke njeke lapha kunduna enkulu kaZulu bese kunduna enkulu kaZulu ke ishicilela ngokusho kwaMntwana wasezibindini ukuvezela ukuthi ke incwadi ke iphumeke kongangezwe lakhe wayithumela kunduna enkulu kaZulu njengoba iphuma nje ke iphumeke ngesandla sikanduna enkulu kaZulu okusho ukuthi ke yibona ababe njeke lapha ke nesivumelwano sokuthi ke sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ke beyikhiphe incwadi baziswe kisizwe bazise isizwe sonke ukuthi ke lo kaMancinza akasiyona njeke lapha ke bakithi ke ushansela lapha ke komkhulu nangoke naye ke inkosi uMalusi Zondo ichaza kabanzi ngalolu daba.
I want to greet isilo samabandla indlulamithi sibayede wena omdala. It came as a shock to us because we are currently strengthening AmaZulu and the office of the Royal Chancellor is part of the PMEC. So everything that is communicated through the office of the PMEC, which is linked directly with the King. So the King has said nothing about us being dismissed. It's so unfortunate that we had the news or it was spread across. But we have engaged with the Prime Minister, Ubaba Thulasizwe, and Ubaba Thulasizwe also has distanced himself of that narrative and the theory. And we have also communicated with Omdala, and also the King has said he's unaware. So we are gladly open to say we are in the office. We are going to continue working for our people. For now, we just need the guidance from the King in making sure that impilo zabantu abamnyama, the lives of our people are solid, fighting for poverty and making sure that AmaZulu nesilo at least isizwe sakithi siyaqoqeka. We remain solid. I remain unshaken as the Royal Chancellor. I'm still going to be there. I'm still going to work hard for amakhosi nabantu bakithi.
Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngidi isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyijiyane.